I have a quick Adobe Premiere tip for you today to show how to export just a basic movie clip. First of all, I imported my media file, import QuickTime movie file into Adobe Premiere, and I just play the clip in the main viewer briefly.
Tip for you today, which involves hello there. I have a quick Adobe Acrobat tip.
Okay, so I want to get rid of hello there because that's just my way of testing the sound. And then I want to remove any extraneous talk at the back. So what I do is like I said, I load the clip into the main viewer, and then I'll mark an in and out. So start playing it.
Hello there.
Mark in.
I have a quick Adobe Acrobat tip for you today.
Then play the video. Continue playing.
Watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you learned something, and just subscribe today for quick graphics related tips.
Mark out. So then I will say clip, make subclip. Just save it whatever way you want to save it. And then I load the subclip back into the viewer, main viewer.
I have a quick Adobe Acrobat tip for you today.
So that the front and back talk that I wanted to remove is gone. Then I do File, Export, Media, and pick H.264 format, and the latest version of Adobe Premiere contains a YouTube HD 1080 quality setting. So I use that. Export. Takes a little bit depending on the size of your video. Mine is only about a minute, so and then it should be saving, unless you change this option, in the same folder as the project file, the Adobe Premiere project file. That's it. You're ready to upload to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you learned something. Subscribe if you would like more graphics related tips.